open the spice eggs and open Play-doh eggs and those in Play-doh eggs today. So let's open them.
Okay, go spin around the sit and spin so we can see what we're going to open today. We have some Play-doh surprises. Olaf and Lambie have stopped in to join us. And
I'll start with Mr. Potato.
Let's start with Mr. Potato. That sounds like a great idea. Mr. Potato has some hidden surprises.
And his back.
In his back.
See, Mommy, I told you.
Let's take his shoes off. Then we can open his back.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. Right.
Here we go. Can you show everyone what you're doing, please? Thank you.
We got Jake.
We have Jake. Jake and the Neverland Pirates. And he has his telescope. I bet he's looking out for Captain Hook, the sneaky snook.
We got Peppa Pig.
We also got Peppa Pig. Peppa has an apron on. She looks like she's about to make some yummy cookies in the kitchen.
And I see cupcakes.
Oh, maybe she'll make us some cupcakes. That would be a nice treat. Who else is in there? Is someone stuck in there?
Yes. Baby, this stuff's stuck in there.
What?
Yes.
You think that's who it could be? She was right. Kristoff. Well, hello, handsome. Kristoff was hiding in the back of Mr. Potato Head. What were you doing in there, Kristoff? Huh?
I start with a Play-doh.
Hello,
I
Kristoff.
start with a Play-doh.
Oh, you want to open the Play-doh? Okay, let's open some Play-doh. Can you show our friends what you're doing? We're taking the Play-doh off. Who did we get? A troll. One of Kristoff's troll family friends.
I took this off. It's Mr. IU.
Hello, troll. Okay. And look, Jake even swivels. His feet move. It's pretty cool. Okay, what's next?
We got Ariel.
Ariel. Oh, Princess Ariel. You look so lovely in your pink dress, and she has legs now. Did Ursula give her legs?
Yeah.
Yes, she did. But Ursula is evil. Okay, what else are we going to open? What's next? Figaro! Figaro is Minnie's cat in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Can we see Figaro, please?
Yep, right here.
There's Figaro. Hello. All right. What's next?
This big super baby princess.
Oh my gosh, that's a super, super big Play-doh surprise. What could be in it with all that Play-doh? Queen Elsa? Oh my gosh. In her beautiful dress after she made her ice palace. I really like Elsa.
Mommy,
What?
I see her says it's sparkly.
Yes, her dress is sparkly and she's holding
Mom?
a snowflake.
Mom,
Yes.
my auntie she's holding Play-doh.
Oh, she's also holding Play-doh in her other hand. That's funny.
Mommy,
Silly Elsa.
Mommy, I open this.
Okay. What is that? Oh my gosh. There's probably Play-Doh in there. That's what should be in there, right?
No, not here, Play-doh.
What? You don't think so?
It's Flounder.
Flounder! Oh, he's probably so happy to have Ariel with him. Ariel's best friend, Flounder.
Elsa, oh, we got you.
Oh my gosh, and we also got a little mini Elsa. That is Elsa at Coronation Day, huh? She has her cape on still, and she hasn't changed her dress yet. That's how nice.
We got Blue Ribbon Bunny.
Oh my gosh, and we got the Blue Ribbon Bunny. Clover. Oh my gosh, the Blue Ribbon Bunny just hopped on my head. Silly Clover. He's always playing tricks, huh? He's a silly rabbit. Clover from Sophia the First.
Let's open this page.
I like how Peppa's head turns and she can stand up or sit down. Oh, you see something else?
Your baby is present.
What? You hear something else in the Play-Doh container? Play-Doh's supposed to be in there.
Daisy Duck!
Daisy Duck.
Hey, Dad.
Hello, Daisy.
Dad. Dad.
And Donald Duck. Was that a good Donald Duck sound? And Clarabelle. Hello, Clarabelle.
I see that soon.
And who else do we have? Who else is in our Play-Doh cup? Can you show our friends?
Princess Anna.
What? Princess Anna. Oh, look. And she's in her Coronation Day dress, too. There we go. What? This was a big surprise cup. And we have Miko from Pocahontas. And who else do we have? A horse? What? What kind of horse? Clarabelle's horse from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Let's open a big
From what episode? Mickey and Donald Have a Farm?
Yeah.
That's a great one. Okay, do we have anything left? We have another one. Let's see what's in this Play-Doh surprise. Who is it? The suspense. Who is that? Is that Sleeping Beauty? Princess Aurora? Can you show everyone, please? Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. So we got... Oh, I see one more Play-Doh cup hiding back there. Do you think you can get that for us? Is there anything in there? I don't hear anything. Can you open it, please?
Hey, it's this. A skin that looks like.
What did we get? Oh, Snow White. She's so graceful. So we got Snow White, Daisy, Jake, Clover, Peppa, Miko, a troll, Kristoff, Anna in her Coronation Day outfit, Elsa in her Crystal Ice Palace dress, and Elsa in her Coronation Day dress. We have Ariel after she's got legs and married Prince Eric. We have Flounder. We have Donald Duck. He looks extra happy today. It must be his birthday. Clarabelle. Clarabelle's horse. And we even got Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. Can you give our sit and spin one last turn so we can see our friends that watched everything today? So we have Lambie. She's always so happy. And Olaf. Who's your favorite? Do you like Lambie or Olaf better?
Two.
You like both? You like both equally?
I see another surprise egg.
And what do we have? We have another surprise egg? Oh, I thought we tried opening that and it was empty. Was that a trick surprise?
Yes.
Yes? How silly. Shake it. Is there anything in there? Does it make a sound?
Yes.
It does? Okay, open it. Let's see. Open it and let's see what's inside. These are hard to open. What's inside? Play-doh? What's inside the Play-doh? Anything? Smash it! Nope, just Play-doh. Well, goodbye everyone. We will see you in our next video with more secret special surprises, and it will be extra fun. All right. Have a great day, everyone, and have some Disney magic fun. Goodbye.